Welcome back. Now to enroll your book in the KDP Select program, what you'll need to do is you'll need to come to the right side menu of your book. You'll need to click this link that says Enroll in KDP Select. You'll then need to agree to the exclusivity, and then you'll need to click Enroll. And then, once you've done that, your book will be enrolled in KDP Select. Now, once your book is published, you will have available to you two panels, your price promotion panel and your ad campaign panel. And you'll have this button where you can manage your KDP Select program. And this is where you can automatically renew your book in the program on an ongoing basis. And of course, if you don't want to be part of the program, all you'll need to do is you'll need to untick this. When the program ends, once you've saved, you will then need to manually review if you want to remain part of the program. And you'll have these options available to you for all of the books you have published inside of your Kindle bookshelf. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.